I'm very, very happy to be here in Porto and meet all of the community. Actually, this is my first time. I'm on a WordCamp, and it's just been such an experience to see everybody from the industry and also people that recognize me from a lot of content. Well, I think Elementor is it's like a go-to platform to build websites, WordPress websites that don't only look well, but you can really edit a lot of aspects of your full website. It doesn't matter what type of website you're building. There's a lot of functionality that you can use to really build the website you want visually and also in the background. And a lot of people, they like simplicity, and Elementor really is an easy tool to learn. It's not like super easy, you invest some time of course, but it's a lot easier than other ways to build websites. I think a lot of people also like Elementor's, or appreciate Elementor's constant push to improve existing features, and also listen to the community and focus on advancing requests from the community and other features and stuff like that. And we constantly working towards improving, working on optimization and also providing the features that our users want and we believe they need to empower themselves. So. First of all, it started off as a page builder, which really made, gave you the opportunity to create custom layouts and designs on your WordPress website relatively with ease, which simplify the process working on projects together and also alone. Basically going from your page to as being like part of a full website, Elementor has evolved in providing that capability to really edit the full site, and I think a couple of the milestones probably are, when Theme Builder was introduced, to really have access to like all of those site parts, to be able to control that, where they are displayed on your website. That probably was a big milestone. Of course, our new cloud platform, Elementor Cloud, is basically like a logical way to build websites. It's very, very easy to just get a website up and running. And it takes the hassle away of having to set up a lot of other things, and enables you to basically focus on what you do best. Whether you're a designer or a marketer or anything else, you can really focus on that. And I think technology is going that way as well. It's always been like that. Also, I think WordPress, was focused on simplifying the way in which you create a website, and that's the direction technology goes. To simplify and give access to the users to be able to be creative, to use the technology for their benefit, whether it's the personal life, financial security, their own aspirations that they might have as business owners, or anything else. I think Elementor will continue to develop a very solid platform for all different types of users, all different types of needs. I don't know exactly where the technology is going to go, but because we believe in open source, and we also have a part of our nature and the community is we go with the tech, but we also lead, so I think it's probably hard to say exactly where we're going to be in 5 years. It's very specific. But the relationship with our users and the community in the tech world that use open source, we definitely need to make that coexist. Bonjour, mon ami, mes amis, et au revoir.